Hi, everyone. Just want to do a quick update on the project. Well, I've started, and the first thing I'm doing is planning. To me, planning is like getting a Lego set, but then having to write the instructions yourself before you start building. Optimally, I just have to rip open the first bag and actually, build the Lego set, but I know I can't. If I don't plan, I will likely never finish the project. Now, I am using Gemini to help me with the planning. I do have a video on how to use Gemini Gems to help with the planning. I have leveraged exactly the same process that I outlined in the video to plan my own project. And I did create the PRDs, the project strategy, the roadmap, and everything else that you see in that video. And I did get to the point where I'm starting to generate the tasks. However, the moment I actually got to generate the tasks, it started to be a little bit tedious. And I knew that I'm not going to be like taking the task and dragging it over from one column to another. Like that's just not going to happen. I'm probably not going to do that. So I tried to keep it a lot higher level than I normally would. I like on a team. So I just have tasks that are essentially like features. And those are in my GitHub project where I also have milestones. And that's where I'll be storing my code, and everything is basically going to be in GitHub. So I think I'm almost ready to get started on the actual project part of it. And so the next part is going to be determining the tech, the hosting. What is it going to be, a SPA? Is it going to be an SSR application, server hosted, right? Like stuff like that. So that's what I'll be determining over the next couple of days, probably have it done by Friday or Saturday. And then the goal is the following week to then start putting the first pieces of code in place. Yeah, so if that sounds interesting to you, I am building a real world Nuxt project. Go ahead and subscribe or follow, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.